Hi everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. This is Lady Vintage Bags here and today I'm coming at you with another luxury reveal. So let's drum roll. Dun, 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 dun. So this is what I have here. So this is actually my first purchase from Vestiare Collective. So let's see what we have. So I've already unboxed it, as you can see, and I wasn't actually planning on unboxing it. I was going to unbox it on film, but what happened was when it got delivered to me, I didn't know what the package was because it wasn't super obvious it was from Vestiare. So I just opened it thinking, what is this? And then turned out to be my Vestiare order. So it's going to be a luxury reveal instead of unboxing. So here we are. And you can see that beautiful brown box there. So it's upside down. So we know it's LV. And we've got this brown box, so we know that it's a little bit older. It's not the new items. Okay, so here we go. We've got a dust bag. So it was really nice. I didn't actually know I was getting a box as well. And here's a little booklet. So let's see what we have here. So this is an LV dust bag. And here they are. So we've got a pair of LV driving shoes or loafers. So I actually already own a pair of these shoes in navy, so that I have back here. So as you can see, my one are already a bit worn. So I bought these in quite fair condition from eBay, from a Japanese reseller. So I got these for about 200 Australian dollars last year, and they're really comfortable. So they have these great rubber soles, and they're really comfortable to walk in. I could walk all day in these. I actually go dog walking in these. So I've been looking for another colour. So I've actually already bought a patent monogram version of them. And so now I've got a brown version of them. So these are actually in quite good condition. They were listed as good condition on Vestiare as well. So you can see there's a little bit of scuffing there, but not as bad as my navy pair. So you can see the difference in the scuffing level between them. I wear these well in, so the scuffing doesn't really bother me. So yeah, she was quite accurate with her description. They are in quite good condition. And now that I know my LV size, these fit like a dream. So I'll just insert some mod shots of me wearing them. So let's do a close-up of these shoes. So we can see here that it's brown leather. It's also got brown stitching. It's got a beautiful S-lock there, just like the handbags. So if we compare it to my Concord handbag, so as you can see there, it's just like a mini version of the S-lock on the shoe. So when you buy things from Vestiare, you get this Vestiare tag once it's been authenticated by the office. So it's just got this tag on it, and it tells you who authenticated it. Now the back of the shoe looks like so it's got these horizontal grips, and they're really good for wet weather and dry weather. So the serial number is actually on the tongue. So as you can see there, so it's got the serial number and the size. So mine's size 37. You've got Louis Vuitton there. And you've also got an LV logo on the bottom there. So this is a leather lined shoe as well. So this shoe is completely leather, so it's really luxe. Extremely comfortable to walk in. So now let's talk about how much I paid. So the seller had them listed for 290 Australian dollars and 65 cents. So that actually works out to be the same as about 162 Great British pounds. So I actually bargained her on, or him or her on Vestiare, so you're allowed to do a maximum lowball of 30%. So I went to the full 30%, and they actually agreed. So because I bought this from a seller in Europe, everything was done in pounds. So the offer that I ended up putting in was £113, and they accepted. Now I had to pay shipping and taxes on top, and authentication as well. So on Vestiare, if you're purchasing from someone from a different continent to you, you can't do direct shipping. You have to pay for authentication, and it goes to the Vestiare office, gets checked and authenticated, and then sent to you. So for the shipping insurance, it cost me about £29. So that worked out to be about $51. And then for the authentication, it was about £6, and then that cost me about $11. And then I had to pay GST, because in Australia we have to pay 10% GST, or it's 10% tax. So that was £14 or so. So that was about $26. But I had a welcome voucher because this was my first time shopping on Vestiare. So the welcome voucher pretty much cancelled out that 10% tax, because the welcome voucher was £16, whereas the tax was £14. So it was a $30 welcome voucher. So in the end, the final price I paid was about £145. And so that worked out to be about 260 Australian dollars. So I was under the impression that I was just getting the shoe. So when I received the box and the dust bag, I was pleasantly surprised. And so now I'm really happy with the deal that I got. So let me know, do you have any comfy LV shoes in your collection? If so, tell me what style they are. So these are really comfy if anyone's looking for women's LV loafers. I really recommend these. These are just called driving shoes. You get some where they have rounded grips, and these are just rubber horizontal grips. They're really good in both wet weather and dry weather, so I highly recommend these. So the first pair I paid in fair condition was about 200 Australian dollars. And I think I paid about that much too. This one was also from eBay. And so this is 260 Australian dollars from Vestiare Collective. So comment down below, would you buy these shoes? I really like them because of the S-lock. So if you watch my videos, you will know that I really love S-locks on my handbags, and I also love S-locks on my shoes. Thanks for listening, everyone. Have a nice day. Bye.